Yes.
Habang abala po ang ating mga audiences sa mga ipinamimigay ng ating mga sponsors, tayo po ay dadak muna sa awarding of certificates. Una po nating bibigyan ang ating mga sponsors na talagang full support sa atin pong Kesurap 2025 Cooking Competition.
Thank you.
Kaya nyo naman pong basahin ko ang nilalaman ng kanila pong certificate of appreciation is hereby given to our sponsors for the invaluable contribution and support as a sponsor in the Kesurap Cooking Contest held on April 8, 2025 during the 21st Quezon City Festival. With the theme, Pusong May Malasakit, Pamayarang Nagtutulungan, Haligi ng Maunlad at Kabiserang Bayan. Given this 8th day of April 2025 at the Municipal Grounds, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Signed by Program and Events Chairman Maricel L. Ramos and Municipal Mayor Edgar S. San Luis. Tinatawagan na po sa harapan ang representative from Sugar King. Palakpakan po tayo para sa ating mga sponsors. Tinatawagan po muli mula sa Sugar King. Thank you po. Tinatawagan na rin po para bigyan ng Certificate of Appreciation representative mula po sa Mixed Plant Incorporated. Tinatawagan na rin po ang Mac Asia Food Trade Corporation. Tinatawagan na rin po mula sa Otico Gas Central or Zulane LPG. Tinatawagan na rin po mula sa eHome Improvement Center. At syempre mula po sa Achievers Food and Bakery.
Yung apron daw niya.
Marami pong salamat muli sa ating mga sponsors at magkakaroon lamang po tayo ng picture taking. Smile! Thank you so much po muli. At ngayon naman po, para sa kanilang dedikasyon at suporta sa ating festival, nais namin iparating ang aming taos-pusong pasasalamat. Kaya't ngayon, tayo po ay magbibigay naman ng Certificate of Appreciation sa ating mga magigiting na judges. Hayaan niyo lamang po akong basahin ang nilalaman ng certificate na ito. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby given to for sharing your invaluable time and expertise as one of the distinguished judges in the Kesurap Cooking Contest during the 21st Quezon City Festival held held from April 5 to 12, 2025 at the Municipality of Santa Cruz, Laguna. Your dedication and commitment to promoting local culture and talent are deeply appreciated. Given this 8th day of April 2025 at the Municipality of Santa Cruz, Province of Laguna. Signed by Program and Events Chairman, Ms. Maricel L. Ramos and Municipal Mayor Edgar S. San Luis. Tinatawagan na po namin, Ms. Maria Lara Louie L. Ramos. Ngayon naman po ay bibigyan natin ng Certificate of Appreciation, Chef Emmanuel A. Resio. At syempre po, para sa ating third judge, Chef Jel Salonga Datu. Muli, maraming salamat po sa ating mga judges. At iaabot lamang po namin ang aming token of appreciation. Thank you very much po. At ngayon, ang pinakahihintay nating lahat, the time to announce the winners. Ay, postpone po muna. Bigyan po pala muna natin ng Certificate of Participation ang lahat ng participants. Okay, unahin na po natin. Hayaan nyo lamang po muna kung basahin. Ang Certificate of Participation is hereby given to for actively participating in the Kasarap Cooking Contest during the 21st Quezon Puti Festival held on April 8, 2025 at the Municipal Grounds, Santa Cruz, Laguna. Your dedication and culinary skill in celebrating the rich culture and heritage of the municipality are greatly appreciated. In witness whereof, this certificate is given on this 8th day of April 2025 in Santa Cruz, Laguna. Signed by Municipal Mayor Honorable Edgar S. San Luis. Tinatawagan po ang ating unang contestant, Gloria C. Menquito. Kasunod po, si Ms. Marisol Alice V. Patrocinio. Kasunod po, si Ms. Joylyn E. Afran. Next po, si Ms. Geraldine L. Puri. Next po, si Ms. Jeannie G. Senera. Ms. Kimberly C. Huelva. Si Ms. Ediva A. Diceno. Si Ms. Roslyn M.